Welcome to Beginner English Practice Channel. English Conversation for Beginners. Situation: two friends, Alex and Lisa, meet at a cafe after a long time. They talk about life, work, hobbies, and future plans. So let's start the video.
Hey, Alex. It's been so long. How have you been?
Lisa: Wow, it's great to see you. I've been good. How about you?
I'm doing well, just busy with work and life.
Yeah, same here. Work keeps me occupied most of the time. Have a seat.
Thanks. So, what's new with you?
Well, I recently got a new job. I started working as a marketing executive.
Oh, wow. Congratulations. How's it going?
It's exciting but also a bit stressful. There's a lot to learn, and the deadlines can be tough.
I can imagine. But I'm sure you'll do great.
Thanks. What about you? Still working at the same company?
Yes, I am. But I've been thinking about switching jobs.
Really? Why?
I feel like I need a new challenge. I've been working there for 5 years now, and I want to explore new opportunities.
That makes sense. Have you applied anywhere yet?
Not yet, but I've updated my resume and started looking at job postings.
That's a good start. If you need help with your resume or interview practice, let me know.
That would be great. Thanks, Alex.
No problem. So, apart from work, what else is new?
Well, I've started taking a photography class. It's been really fun.
That sounds interesting. What kind of photography do you like?
Mostly nature and street photography. I love capturing beautiful moments.
That's awesome. I'd love to see some of your photos.
Sure. Here are some pictures I clicked last weekend.
Wow, these are amazing. You have a great eye for details.
Thanks. What about you? Any new hobbies?
Actually, I've started learning guitar. It's something I've always wanted to do.
That's so cool. How's it going?
It's challenging, but I'm enjoying it. I can play a few simple songs now.
Nice. Maybe one day you can play for me.
Of course. Once I get better, I'll play a song just for you.
I'll be waiting. By the way, have you traveled anywhere recently?
Yes. I went to the mountains last month. It was so refreshing.
That sounds amazing. I love the mountains.
Me too. The fresh air, the beautiful scenery, it was perfect.
I really need a vacation. Maybe I should plan a trip too.
You should. Where do you want to go?
Maybe a beach destination. I love the ocean.
That sounds great. A relaxing beach vacation would be perfect.
Yes. Maybe we should plan a trip together sometime.
That's a great idea. Let's do it.
All right. Let's start planning soon.
Definitely. But for now, let's order something. I'm getting hungry.
Me too. Let's check the menu.